As you can see, I am totally unfazed.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Uy, nunchucks. I love.
Bruh.
Are you serious?
What up, guys? What up, guys? Welcome back sa panibagong video. In today's video, tayo naman nagbabalik na naman tayo sa another reacting videos. At ngayon, ang i-react naman natin ay funny videos.
What?
At ito ay the opposite sa horror videos. Kung hindi nyo alam, ako ay nag-react sa mga horror
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
horror videos. Yes. At meron ako kasama sa iset. Kaya wala akong kasama ngayon. Kaya gagamitin ko to para makarinig ako ng ano. At kailangan, syempre naman, funny videos to. Kailangan ko hindi.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Pag tumawa ko, talo na. Okay? So, ayan. Mag-enjoy kayo. Alright, so tayo na ay nandito sa video. So, kung nakikita nyo yung title, if you laugh, you restart. So, hindi natin gagawin yun kasi pag I laugh, the video ends. So, yeah. Sana hindi natin agad maano. Oh no. Okay, here we go. So, simulan na tayo. Okay, so we have a bird sleeping on a forest?
Huh?
Okay, hinaan ko to ng konti. Medyo maingay. Okay. Okay.
Heavy machine gun. Brother,
Ang sakit nyon! Yes, ang sakit nyon. Wait lang, isalpa ko lang to. Mabilis lang to. Let me just do this real quick.
5 minutes later.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Oy, hindi kasama yun. Hindi kasama yun. Okay. Okay, I can use this now. Oh! I guess the egg cracked. Yeah, that is not good. Hindi ako natawa din. Ako, nagulat ako, hindi ako natawa. Ha? Baliktad!
This is the end.
Trying to prove to my girlfriend that she can have me. As you can see, I am totally unfazed.
you didn't have to cut me off.
Uy, nunchucks. I love.
Bruh.
I've been trying this entire time. It's not my fault, okay?
Kaya gawa nila. Okay, no. Let me just do it. Bawal yun. Okay. Aray. If ghosts aren't real, then explain this. What am I going to explain? That's not ghost, that's a dog.
Because I know they can't let me leave. I won't go with that cat.
Bro, that... Ay, grabe naman yung tawa ng babae. Oh! Bro!
Your sister's brownies are bad. Look at my sister's cookies, bro.
Why did you do that, bro? Okay, ba't mo ginawa yun? Alam mo naman hindi nasisira, binato mo pa sa bata. Ang galing mo talaga. Pero, ano ba talaga ginagawa mo?
Huh?
Hindi ko alam kung ginagawa mo.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Headshot! Okay, that's not... Bawal yun. No, 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 no. Bawal yun. The alien is crazy. Nah, that's crazy, bro. No, no. Anong comment to, ha? Sino nagko-comment nito? Ang lakas ng guts nyo na mag-comment ng ganito. Whoa!
Not gonna find me.
What the heck? Wow! Natakot yung pusa.
Push it in. Wait.
Huh? What?
Y'all got issues, bro.
Ano ba yan?
He fell back out.
Sinira mo na lahat? Ang galing mo talaga. Ngayon, babayaran mo yan. Ang galing mo talaga. Nakikisama lang niya.
A few moments later.
Finish him.
Huh? Nagets ko na. Akala niya yung kasama niya yung kaibigan niya pero nasa kabila. Oh, that's embarrassing, bro.
Embarrassing.
Na. Oh, ow. Aray! Ang galing. Headshot? What?
你就是这边落架了。
Nah. That's aura, bro. You have aura, bro. Oh, nasira. Oh no, what the heck?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yet, wala na yung trabaho mo. Yari ka sa mama. Yari ka sa, ano mo, nanay mo.
For real, they look so happy.
Yeah, man, they look great.
What a bloody angry little bird. Jesus Christ.
Nawala na yung mata. Ang galing! Alright guys, so kung nag-enjoy ka sa video na to, please subscribe and hit that like button and turn the notifications on. At mag-comment naman kayo kung ano next na laruin ko. So, nalaruin ko? Pwede yung laruin o yung area ko. So, ayun lang. Bye!
So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed.